Welcome to the Zyla API Hub, where you can discover, connect, and manage the different APIs that you need. Let me go ahead and show you around. So to get started and find your desired API, you can simply click on Browse APIs up here at the top, and that's going to open up all the different APIs that we have here inside of Zyla. Now, once we do that, you'll notice here on the left-hand side, we have over 30 different categories listed that you can choose from. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go inside of the search bar here and at the very top, and I'm going to search for Site Traffic API. Now, after searching for Site Traffic API, you'll see that we have several different options available. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the very first option. And once I click on that, it is going to redirect me to that API's main page. Now, this particular API allows you to get detailed traffic and analytics data for any website. Now, once we are here, we can explore the API's features, including the general information, documentation, and the pricing plans. Now, the pricing is based on how many requests you need per month, as you can see here. You'll also notice that you can take advantage of our free trial to test the APIs at no cost. Before you subscribe, you can review the required input data, such as the website's domain or URL, and in some cases, additional parameters like date ranges or metrics to retrieve. Additionally, you can see the response that you will receive when you send a request. So if we go inside of the API documentation like I am right now, and we expand on the traffic source and overview, you can see here the query that we will run, for example, and just below that, we can see the example response that we would receive. Now, in this case, we'll receive essential details like total visits, unique visitors, traffic by country, referral sources, and other key engagement metrics. And just a bit further down underneath the API response here, you'll find integration guides and code snippets for popular programming languages. So if we select one, we can see the code below, updates for that language, and all we have to do is copy that snippet that best fits your stack and integrate it seamlessly into your application. And if you have any questions at all, our specialists are available through the chat box in the bottom right-hand corner. With that said, enjoy your API journey with Zyla API Hubs.